birthday, dear
little
Fatia.
Happy birthday to you. May you have many more. May you have many more. Okay.
May you
Have many more. Okay,
May
stop
you have
actually.
many more. Okay, time to blow out the candles. 1, 2.
I wish.
Okay, no, you can't tell us your wish or it won't come true.
Oh,
You better
no.
hurry up because Anna's blowing them out. All right, think of your wish. All right, baby, I'll get it. I'll get it. I'll get it.
Go away. This is my birthday. I wish.
No, don't tell us what your wish is. Just say it in your
Wish,
head,
yeah,
okay?
in your head.
Close your eyes. Okay, have you made your wish?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, blow out your candles.
I wish.
No, don't tell us or it won't come true. Okay, just blow out the candles.
Hey.